Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. Out here at Dave on Parkfield, we're going to take up the Tecnam 2010 by Arrow's Hobby. And I'll be honest folks, I can't understand why more people are not going crazy about this plane. This thing is one of the best planes out there. I mean, it is awesome. It flies great, it lands great, it's sporty. It's got great trainer characteristics. It's tricycle gear. You got a 13-gram metal geared servo under the nose because of the way this is designed, so it's got the extra oomph to it. I mean, it's got lights, it's got flaps. It runs on 3-cell, anything from a 2200 up to maybe a 3200, which I'm running a 3200 smart battery in her right now. She's a 1.4 meter wingspan, I believe. Sorry, I got my hand in your face. And good sized plane, easy to see, easy to fly, got a lot of sportiness to her. I can't figure out why more people, you know, you spend like 20 bucks more, you can get it with the floats, and I can't understand why more people aren't wanting this plane. The thing flies amazing. It's just a lot of fun. Let's get our range control surface test out of the way. Right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator, right rudder, left rudder. You got takeoff flaps and landing flaps. All right, wind is at my back, motor's on. I'm running an AR 620. Oh yeah. It also comes with the Vector stabilization system in her, which works real well. It gives you the AS3X type stabilization or wind resistance. It's also got self-level. Now they call that, I want to say they call it maybe trainer mode, and then the AS3X type is called dynamic with them, and then you can turn it all the way off completely. Right now I've just got the dynamic, which is well, you know what? I really don't know what I got turned on right now. You know what? Let's land. Let's land and figure that out, because I forgot. I've got so many planes that, not that I'm trying to brag, but I've got so many planes that I forget where my switches are all are. Try to keep them, you know, in the same spot on every plane. That way I don't, for muscle memory. All right, not the best landing with it. All right, let's see. Figure out. Oh, here we go. Okay. All right. So self-level. That's like auto, like normal mode. All right. Let's see how that works. Let's do. Get her turned around here. All right, we'll try taking her off in self-level, which would be the same as like you're safe in trainer mode. Oh boy, I don't like that. I don't like that, sorry. Not gonna do it. All right. Yeah, we'll put her in experience mode. Experience mode means there's nothing, no gyro, no nothing.
Time remaining 5 minutes.
Boy, she just landed on a dime, didn't she? There, knife edge for you. See, she did a little bit of a snap roller, not a real tight one, but she is also considered a trainer. Let's do a landing now with no flaps. There we go. There. She'll fly inverted for you.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Yeah, I'm impressed. How can you not be impressed? And that was a no flap landing, but of course that was into the wind. So get a little crazy now. I need to calm down. Get a little crazy. Little bit crazy. Oh, good Lord's giving me a good flying day. That's for sure. Not a real strong roll rate, but that's okay. Roll rate, roll rate. See how high I can get her. Okay. So you can see she can be quite sporty. Let's fly around scale now.
Time remaining 2 minutes. Flaps up.
Get ourselves a nice flat turn here, or try to anyways. All right. All right, let's get ourselves a landing. Now that motor does make a lot of whine, but that's okay. Whoa. Turning too soon there. Like I say, right now I'm flying with no kind of stabilization or self-leveling or anything right now. All right, well there you go, folks. That is the Tecnam 2010. I had a actually had a 7-minute timer. I'm a minute or 1 second over that 7-minute timer. So, I mean, I'm sorry, I'm 1 second over 6 minutes on a 7-minute timer. But there you go, folks. That is the Tecnam 2010. I highly recommend this bird. She's a great flying plane. You really need to get it. She's a great one to add to your fleet. Reliable, fun, sporty, scale. I can't say anything bad about her. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. And if you get a hold of Hobby Zone to get this, say hello to Dan for me. Bye-bye.